Hey guys, got a Snowflite MTD, but Snowflite 524, guessing it's maybe an 85, 86, might even be close to 88, mint condition, or damn near good condition. It currently was my great grandpa's. He died in 89, so hasn't been used all that much, just in storage a lot. Gonna do a cold start. Just gotta find a place to put it. Put the camera. Choke, or full throttle, choke, prime. This has, I believe, a 5 horsepower. Cusme. I think that's how they pronounce it. It's had one carb replacement. I, however, do not use this for my neighborhood stuff because, well, that's a lot to try to maneuver around.